What's up YouTube? Gear with Amir here, and today we are covering the Aukey 30,000 milliamp power bank. So really excited to get this in. I've been needing a new power bank as of recently. The old one that I was using, it was a My Charge. I don't know if anyone uses this one. It was decent. I think it only had 1200 milliamps, so I could get a decent charge on my cell phone at the time. I mean, it had 2 USB slots on top, and then it had a little indicator right here as well. You could click that and it would let you know exactly how much of a charge you had left. Like I said, it worked out well for me for the time I had it, but really needed something that was a little more in depth, and overall was gonna give me a better charge. So I decided to go ahead and upgrade to the Aukey 30,000 milliamp power bank. And I'm excited about this one for a couple reasons. One, as I mentioned in other videos, I'm about to make a drive out to Palo Alto. So leaving Atlanta, making the trip to the West Coast, actually driving out there with the wifey. So I'm gonna need something to keep my devices charged throughout the trip. So with this, I'll be able to charge my Nintendo Switch. I think I'll be able to get one full charge out of it. Cool thing is it actually comes with a USB to USB-C plug included with it. So I just can use that to charge a Switch. Didn't need to buy another one. But I'll also be able to charge my Nintendo 3DS, which I just got a USB cable to charge my Nintendo 3DS. I actually opened this as well as that USB cable in a massive unboxing video I did not too long ago, which I'll link right here. So definitely check that out after you watch this video. But this will just give me a lot more flexibility than the My Charge did. So like I mentioned, I'll be able to charge my Nintendo Switch, which I got this cool little Zelda case on it, as well as I'll be able to charge this Mophie power capsule, which I really like this. It's something I got not too long ago. And essentially it's a case that I can put my wireless Beats into. It'll protect them, and then it'll also give me the ability to charge it. So I can plug in my USB right there, and I can charge and protect it at the same time. It even has little indicator lights. So I'll be able to charge this with this, which is great. So just overall, a lot of charging going on. So I'm really excited to have this power bank, as well as I plan to incorporate it into my travel tech kit that I'm putting together, and I'll have a video out on this soon. But it'll have, you know, different cables and wires and backup headphones and just stuff that I think you should carry with you, you know, at all times while you're traveling or making a road trip or what have you. So it'll go in here as well. But today we are focusing on the Aukey 30,000 milliamp power bank. So we'll go ahead and bust this open and check out what it looks like. So of course, on Gear with Amir, whenever we do an unboxing, we don't use an unboxing knife here. We use the unboxing little sword. So always fun to bust this out and cut some packages open. So here we go. So I'll go ahead and put this down, and this is just a light plastic covering, so we can get real surgical with the unboxing sword today and just chop that off right here. I don't even know if you guys can see the little cuts that I'm making, but we'll get in right there, and then let's see if we can get right above the plastic. It might be more worth it to just go ahead and give my little knife an assistance here. So boom, it's in there. Cut that bad boy open, and then we can just pull this off the rest of the way. No need to waste time trying to cut this little stuff off with a sword, although it is quite enjoyable to do that. So we'll pull this plastic covering off, and then we should be able to just slide it out the rest of the way. Let's see here. There we go. So we can just slide that out as such, and then we can pop this box open. So this is the Aukey box, and then you can check that out, and then we can just pop it open accordingly. And there it is. So we got some instructions out the box. this is our product warranty. So 24-month product warranty. It's a cool little sticker right there. See if that can show up. It's kind of holographic, looks like a circuit board, so you know, it's their logo. It's pretty cool. I'll find something to do with that. And then this is the actual power brick, power bank, whatever you want to call it, extra battery, but looks really cool. So we'll go ahead and just pop this out, and there it is. So it has different ports on it. So this is the brick, different ports, even has a flashlight on it. But essentially across the top, what you're gonna have is you have two USBs. One is quick charge USB, one is just regular USB. And then I have the ability to charge with a micro USB, or I can charge with lightning as well. So that's the quick charge USB, normal USB, micro USB, and then the lightning cable as well. So I can charge this on my computer using a typical iPhone cable. So that makes it really easy. And then it has that that flashlight right on the top. So if I need to use that flashlight for whatever reason, maybe I'm coming home, need to see where to put my keys at, I can do that. So I think that's something handy as well. And then just right here on the top, it has this power button to turn it on. And then you're good to go. So it's lit up, it's ready. It's a nice green color. You can see that right here as well. So you just press that to turn it on. I'm not sure how to turn on the flashlight. I don't know if it's you just hold it or not, but that's something I know I'll figure out eventually exactly how to do it. And there we go. Okay, so you just hold it, you hold the power button down, and then you're able to get that flashlight on. So that's something I think, it's a nifty little feature, so it'll definitely be helpful accordingly if I need to use like a little flashlight for whatever reason. And I think you just hold it back down and it'll eventually turn that light off. So that's great. So we can set that there. And then I think the only other thing left in the box now is that USB-C cable that I mentioned. Two cables actually. So let's see what we got here. So we have a USB to USB-C and a micro USB, and then we have a USB to USB-C. So that's great. So you actually get two of these with the Aukey. So you get a micro USB and a USB to USB-C. So that's great. I can use it to power up my Switch and keep me gaming. I'm currently playing Splatoon 2 and I love it. So we'll actually give this a try now, see if it has any charge on it. So I'm actually pretty excited to see if it'll charge the Switch. It's the main reason I got this one. So this is my Switch. We'll go ahead and plug it in and see if we can get it to charge up. So we'll use the USB-C cable right here. We'll plug this into the charge portion, turn that on, plug in the USB-C, and let's see if we get anything. And boom, there we go. So it charges the Switch. You can see it powering on right there. I didn't turn it on, I thought I needed to, but you can see right there that it is charging, connected to battery, and we did get that green light. So looks like it works. I'm really excited about that. So it'll keep me gaming on the road trip while the wife is taking her turn driving. But yeah, so that's the Aukey 30,000 milliamp power bank battery charger. Really excited to use it. I'm gonna keep it charged and keep using it, and I'll post another video probably here in a little while on my thoughts. Definitely check out the video on the Mophie power bank, or the Mophie power capsule, excuse me. I'll link that up right here as well. But hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, go ahead and give it a like, and feel free to hit that subscribe button right here as well. But that pretty much covers it. That's Gear with Amir. Peace.